Hey, it's Robin from Roaming with Rover. And guess what? We've got packages to open. Merry Maxim! When I got home, I had lots of stuff sitting here. And I don't know what most of it is. So we're going to open it and see. I don't remember ordering anything specific. So, but you know how it is. Sometimes you order something and it takes a while to get here. So let's just see what we've got. It could also be the Crochet of the Month type stuff, which is what I'm kind of thinking it probably is. I do subscribe to 2 of Mary Maxim's subscription programs. I'm always afraid I'm going to cut the yarn when I'm doing this. So this could very easily be one of those. We have the Crochet of the Month, and we have the quarterly Afghan Crochet Club, and I do both of those. And I haven't gotten anything in a while because I stopped it for a long time, but then the other day I recently went back and started it up again, and I think that's what this is. Yes, this is the quarterly Crochet Afghan Club. I love this. Oh, this is interesting. This is interesting. It's recurring every 3 months. So it almost looks like they charged me for a whole year, because this is odd. Normally these are about 30 bucks. $40, 25. Yeah, usually they're about $30, and the bill was for $127. So I need to call them and see what's going on. Typically you don't pay for a whole year, you pay for each item. So I will call them and see what the situation is with that. And oh, this is so pretty. Wow. All right, first off, look at that gorgeous yarn. That's Vanna. That's Vanna yarn. Vanna white yarn. Okay, of course, every time you get a kit from them, it comes in the nice bag with the handle and the zipper. And you know I love, love, love those bags. So helps me keep things organized around here. I am not typically a pink person, but this is so pretty. I love that. Where's the camera? Over here, over there, there. I love that color. It's a variegated. It's funny though, it's variegated, but also looks kind of mottled. It's called Rose Mist. Vanna's Choice from Lion Brand Yarn. St. Jude's. Oh, this particular yarn gives donations to St. Jude's Hospital, so good on them. It says 1 skein of this for a hat, 3 for a scarf, 9 for a sweater, and 6 to 14 for a blankie. It has a pattern of a sweater on there, and usually there's a pattern inside the ladle. There's words in there, so I don't know if the pattern's in there or if you have to go online to get the pattern. Machine wash and dry, and yeah, the project, you go on to Lion Brand and they've got the pattern there for you. Machine wash and dryable. I'm looking for yardage. It's medium 4 weight. Yep, that's a solid 4 weight. No question there. No question there. And it says takes a J hook. Oh, here it is. 3 ounces, 85 grams. So it's a little smaller. Typically this is more like 100 grams. 85 grams, 145 yards. So that's a pretty nice amount though. So what have we got here? 3, 6, 9, 11. We have 11 skeins of this yarn. Wowza. 11 skeins. And this is a free crochet pattern, so I can show it all to you. It's called the Diagonal Granny Afghan. Are we making, oh, we are. We're making a bunch of granny squares and then sewing them together in that kind of a pattern. You know I don't like sewing squares together, but I know somebody who does. Miss Morgan. It doesn't bother her at all to sew these things together. Skill level easy, one size. It ends up being 42 by 52. That's a nice size throw. Make your basic granny square. Yep. I'm not seeing anything fancy about the granny square. And that's, oh, there's some half squares in here as well. Yeah, for the side pieces. For the side pieces, they've got some half squares. So, I don't know about this one. I think it's well worth the money. I think they are always, always well worth the money. Even if it was $3 a piece, which you're not finding this kind of yarn for $3 a piece. Let's see if I can look it up real quick. Vanna. I like that yarn too. I like the Vanna white yarn. Let's see what I can find. Vanna's Choice yarn. I want to say I have seen it on sale lately. Vannas, Vanna, Choice, Vanna's Choice yarn. Oh, here's the exact one. $4.75 times 11. Now, again, I know you can get this stuff on sale. 4.75 times 11. $52. $52 just in yarn. And then, of course, a free pattern. But even if it's on sale for $3, that's still $33. That's still less than I'm paying for this kit. And then then you consider shipping on top of that. So, yeah, I think this is a really good value. Really good value. I'm pleased. Again, this is not a color that typically I would have chosen myself, but I like it. And that is one of the reasons I like these kits. It makes me go outside my box, because if I had seen this and decided to do it, gray, I would have picked gray. You know I would have. And so this makes me use it, and it's so pretty. I mean, I can totally see that in a blankie. It's going to be so pretty. I likely will not use this pattern because I don't like sewing squares together. But it's not that big a deal, really. And I do like granny squares. We'll see. We shall see. Not 100% sure. But, so that's it for the, whoops, put that thing in there. That is it for the Quarterly Crochet Afghan. I'm guessing this is September. Doesn't really say. No, doesn't say. So it's probably September, and there'll be another one coming in December. But I will contact them and find out about that charge, because, like I said, as a rule, you just get charged for the month that you've just received. But I'm going to check into that, because that's odd. Anyway, love, love, love it. As always, very, very happy. Very happy. Such a pretty color. Thanks so much for watching. I would appreciate it if you would subscribe and leave a thumbs up on there. It really helps a lot. What do you think? Should I bite the bullet and make the granny squares, or find a different pattern? Let me know what you think. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.